students. Today we are going to talk about one of the 3 R's of using natural resources responsibly. The 3 R's are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Today we are going to talk about recycling. Repeat after me. Recycling. Recycling. Sometimes the things that we buy, use, and eat leaves us with trash that we don't need to keep around anymore. After I use all my soap, I'm left with this plastic bottle. After I feed my cat, I'm left with this can. And after my family eats all the eggs, I'm left with this empty egg carton. When we throw our garbage away in the trash, it usually ends up in a landfill. A landfill is a place on Earth where we put all our trash. The problem with landfills is that all that trash can create gases like methane that pollute the air and trap heat, as well as toxins that seep into the ground and pollute the water. They also take up a lot of space. We just don't have enough space on Earth to keep making landfill after landfill. That's why if an item is recyclable, we should put it in the recycling. If an item is recycled properly, instead of ending up in a stinky landfill, it will go to a recycling facility where the materials will be used to create something new. You may have seen things with a label that says made from recyclable materials. Some companies can make reusable bags, water bottles, shoes, yoga mats, and new paper, all out of things that we recycle. But how do you know if an item is recyclable? One way is to look at the bottom of it and look for the recycling symbol. The recycling symbol usually looks something like this. It's a triangle made up of arrows going around and around to show that the materials will be used again and again. You can find it located on many recyclable items. This item has the recycling symbol here, as well as on the bottom. I can also find the recycling symbol on this egg carton. Another way to find out if something is recyclable is to check with your city's website. Different cities may have different rules when it comes to recycling. Our city has this flyer to let people know what they can recycle. The city website even has a game you can play after you've learned which items are recyclable. In Alexandria, you can recycle plastic jugs and bottles, empty aerosol cans, aluminum cans and tin cans, paperboard boxes like the kind cereal comes in, foil food trays, all different kinds of paper, milk cartons, juice cartons, and cardboard. It's important to know what your city recycles. That way, if you have something like a cardboard box and you can't find the recycling symbol, you know that it can still be recycled so that it won't end up taking space in a landfill. If something is recyclable, don't throw it in a regular trash can. Find a recycling bin with the recycling symbol on it. If you have received your May packet, you should see this recycling activity as one of your science options. It says, think about what is around your house that can be recycled. Then, find this page where you can write or draw about what you can recycle. If you have not received your May packet for any reason, you can also easily do this with blank paper, writing paper, or a writing journal. Later, I'll make another video about the other 2 R's in using natural resources responsibly, reduce and reuse. But today, we focused on recycling, and I hope you learned something about how to recycle. Thanks for learning with me today.